Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time being here, thanks for being here. Now I'm making roast chicken today. I hope you love this one. Let's go. I have prepared my seasoning and I have here pimento, some hot pepper. I've also chopped up my garlic and I have rosemary, which is good for this, onion, scallion, and also thyme. I'm going to put this in my container and combine them with my other seasonings. While I add my seasonings to my bowl, let me take the time out to welcome you again to my channel. And please remember to like this video, share the video, and for those who haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you. I'll add some all-purpose original blend herb and garlic powder, soya sauce. I'll also add a little salt, and I am going to combine this. Then I am going to add this to my chicken. Now I'll add my seasoning to my chicken, and I am going to just rub this all over my chicken, and I am also gonna use some of the seasoning to stuff on the inside. Then I am going to leave this to marinate for a few hours or even overnight. My chicken has been in the oven now for about half an hour, and I am going to remove the foil paper from this and start to baste my chicken. Now what I normally do, I normally line my baking tin with foil paper, then I grease the foil paper, and then I just place my chicken on that. Then I cover with foil paper so it steams, create all this beautiful tasty juice, and I use the juice to baste my chicken. I had also stuffed this with some pineapple and sausage. Now guys, you'll continue to use the juices from your chicken to baste your chicken until it is completely cooked. You'll also do this because of the color that you desire for your chicken. I like my chicken on the darker side, so what I tend to do, I'll add a little bit of browning to the juices and I'll use that to baste. Now this chicken is 5 pounds, so you are required to bake 20 minutes per pound, so this should be about an hour and 40 minutes thereabout, and then I will serve my chicken, and I'm looking forward to this. This smells so great. Now this is the moment that I have been waiting for. My chicken is finished. I had left it for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let it cool down a bit, so I am putting this on my plate and I am looking forward to enjoying this with some of my favorite salad, and I have steamed some carrot and chocho. Just add a little gravy on my chicken. There it is. Thanks so much for watching guys. I hope you love this one. Until next time, bye.